Second semester bowling review, frame 6. Distribute. When multiplying, add exponents. 6 times 1 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. Plus 6 times 3 is 18. Add exponents. 3 plus 2 is 5. Minus 6x to the third. Take the 6 times the 1, bring x to the third with, and distribute it over here. The reversal of distribute is to factor. Find the greatest common factor. This is a greatest common factor that was taken out of this expression. Factor by finding the greatest common factor first. So now you have to ask yourself, what goes into 6? That also goes into 18, and the greatest common factor is 6. How many x's do they have in common? Because it's a common factor. X squared. This one has 3, this one has 2. They all have at least 2. Divide by the greatest common factor on both terms. Greatest common factor goes first, parentheses next. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 3 x's, take out 2 x's, you have an x left, or subtract exponents. 3 minus 2 is 1. Plus 18 divided by 6 is 3. X squared divided by x squared is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. That is the factored form of this expression. If I wanted to distribute, I'd get it right back to where I was. Multiply, multiply, add the exponents. Let's try it on this one. Greatest common factor is 4. Goes into 8 and 12. Y to the second power. Divide by 4y squared on both of them. Parentheses, 8 divided by 4 is 2. 3y's. Take away 2y's. You're dividing. Subtract exponents. You have a y left. Do not put an exponent of 1 there. Keep the plus sign. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Y squareds cancel each other out. Greatest common factor. That's a factored form. And the last one with 8z to the 7th plus 4z to the 5th. Greatest common factor is 4z to the 5th. Notice, commonality. You've always taken the smallest exponent as the greatest common factor. The least amount of exponents is the greatest common factor. So we're going to take 5 of those z's. Divide by 4z to the 5th on both of them. You get 2z squared. Plus, over here we divide by 4z to the 5th. Okay, what is 4 divided by 4? It's 1. And so you don't have any z's left, no variables to occupy the space. You need the 1 in its place, so you have something to distribute to. Final answer in factored form. You must have the greatest common factor first, and then the answer in parentheses. Do frame 6 and on to frame 7.